So right now, let's talk more about the Infinite products. So first, I have here Vida Skincare. So sa mga mahilig dyan na mag-skincare, actually, this product is sobrang na-amaze ako. Kasi even me, hindi ako pala skincare dati, but by using this product, isa din talaga ako sa naka-experience kung gaano kaganda. And because of this product, sobrang in demand siya right now because formulated siya for Filipino skin and weather dito sa Pinas. So kaya siya sobrang in demand because sobrang daming skincare pero yun nga, hindi po swak sa panahon po natin dito sa Pinas. But this product, made in Korea. Okay? And hypoallergenic. So, ganun po kaganda itong product ng Vida. Na yung nag-develop po ng product na ito is si Grace Lee and si Mariel Padilla. Sila po yung mga first na gumamit and pinakita kung gaano ka premium itong mga produkto na to. Okay, so na-amaze din ako kasi akala ko pambabae lang siya. Pero pwede din pala siya panlalaki. So kaya nga sa nakikita ninyo, talagang minamaximize nila to really share gaano kaganda itong mga Vida products. Okay? So right now, meron akong ipapakita sa inyo na video and this is paano ba gamitin itong Vida Skincare. Para at least meron kayong idea paano ba ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga products ng Vida. So everyone, I want you to watch this video.
Hi everyone, this is Grace and I'll be sharing to you the step-by-step process I follow to keep my skin healthy and glowing using Vida Skin on my skincare routine. I start up by cleansing my face with Dew Cleanser and it's really refreshing and non-drying hydration. I just put a little amount of it because it is very foamy and after massaging on face, just rinse thoroughly. I super love it because it boosts my skin's natural radiance and leaving my skin so smooth and soft. Next up is applying with Lotus Soothing Toner. It has whitening and anti-wrinkle dual function. I gently apply all over my face and neck in a circular direction, but you can also apply this directly on your face even without using cotton. Then, I lock in moisture using Lotus Booster with powerful hydration. It has ceramides, 10 times hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. It keeps the skin moisturized from the inside and softens the skin texture by strengthening the skin barrier, creating a firm and healthy skin. Next is moisturizing my skin with Glow Vita Cream, which restores skin balance for brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin. It is also for whitening and anti-wrinkle dual function. Just apply all over the face and neck and gently massage your face. I super love it because it's fast absorbing and it has lightweight formula. And lastly, during the day, especially when going outside, we need a UV protection. And I use the Tone Up Sun Serum with SPF 50. And it has a triple-acting multi-care, hydration, whitening, and UV protection all in one. Just put the right amount and gently spread and massage it until fully absorbed. I super love it because it has a natural corrector effect. It brightens the skin tone and makes the skin pinkish glass skin. Let it absorb and wait for a few minutes before applying makeup or any other skincare products. Now my skin is prepped, hydrated, and ready to slay, and I hope you guys to try it too!
Hi everyone! So right now, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-skincare ang isang tunay na lalaki. So first step, mag-cleanse tayo ng ating mukha using our Dew Cleanser Vida product. Ayan, so hugas ang maigi para pwedeng kainin sa gabi. Step 2, magtotoner tayo gamit ang ating Lotus Toner Vida Products. Ayan, tanggalin mo alibag sa buka. Step 3 na tayo, syempre gamitin natin tong Lotus Booster Ampule. Ito ay whitening and anti-wrinkle dual function. Step 4 na tayo mga pre. So ito gamit natin ang Vida Cream. Ayan, pay-pay sa mukha. Naku po, may naalala tayo dito. And for the last step, ito yung sunscreen ng ating Vida products. Ayan, apply konti-konti lang. Ipahid ng maigi at syempre isama natin ang ating liig. Ayan, ayos na. Importanteng alagaan natin ang ating skin, mapubabae man o lalaki. Salamat po!
Ayun. So, right now, nakikita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung products ng Vida. And because of that, ito na po yung before and after nilang ginamit yung Vida Skincare. So, yung isa sa babae na gumamit ng Vida, and ito naman sa mga lalaki na gustong magkaroon or ma-achieve yung glassy na skin. Okay? And actually, hindi lang po itong mga products na to yung meron yung Infinite. Because aside from the Vida Skincare, meron din po tayong tinatawag na Infinite White Lotion. Isa to sa nagustuhan ko na lotion kasi po sobrang ganda sa balat. Plus, hindi siya malagkit. Ang nakaganda dito because meron siyang SPF 30 plus it will brightens your skin. So, para mas makita niyo yung effect, tingnan niyo lang po itong picture na to. Na after niya nilagay yung Infinite White Lotion, nakikita niya na agad yung instant whitening effect. Because meron po itong nanotechnology na umaabot up to the third layer sa skin. So, ganun po kaganda itong Infinite White Lotion. And aside sa lotion, meron din po tayong Infinite Glow Up Soap. So, sa mga naghahanap ng ano bang magandang sabon dyan na may kojic acid, niacinamide and arbutin, then mas maganda matry niyo po itong Infinite Glow Up Soap. It's because sa mga merong acne dyan sa muka, then ito lang po yung ginamit ng taong to para ma-achieve niya itong skin na natanggal lahat ng acne niya. Aside from this product, meron din po tayong tinatawag na Infinite Day White Soap. So isa to sa nagustuhan kong product kasi combination na po na pwede na ding pang deodorant. And sobrang lamig sa balat. Kaya sobrang gusto ko itong product na to. Kasi meron na ding tea tree oil, niacinamide and peppermint. So ibig pong sabihin, aside sa nagpapapogi, it also help to enhance wound closure. So sa nakikita niyo sa picture, a night before and after one day, nakikita mo agad yung resulta by just using this Infinite Day White Soap. Meron din po tayong White Plus Glutathione that will protect your liver and bone health, especially given na it will really enhance your skin health and whitening. Okay? So these are the products, once again, ng Infinite na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. And actually, meron po tayong product na Infinite Barley plus kape sa mga mahilig magkape dyan. Pero, I would like to highlight this product na tinatawag na advanced technology, which is the Infinite Botox Serum. If we're talking about Botox, usually yung pumapasok sa mind natin is about ini-inject. Okay? Or it's either need nating pumunta sa dermatologist para magkaroon ng session para i-apply itong Botox. But you know what guys? This product, kaya siya tinatawag na advanced technology kasi once in-apply mo itong Infinite Botox Serum together with Infinite Brightening Serum, you will gonna experience a 3-second miracle. Imagine. Bakit? It's because once in-apply nyo po itong dalawang serum na to, nagkakaroon po ng instant lift sa mukha ninyo. Once again, it's 3 seconds. So sabi nga nila, to see is to believe. So I want to show you this picture na yung kabilang side, nilagyan po ng Infinite Botox and Brightening Serum. And kung napapansin niyo naman siguro sa screen ninyo, after 3 seconds, nagkakaroon agad ng effect. So, kaya ito yung product talaga na sobrang ganda i-demonstrate. It's because nakikita agad yung effect after nilagyan yung muka. So, kung napapansin nyo dyan, merong instant lift compared dun sa kabila na hindi po nilalagyan. So kaya isa to sa talagang in-demand na products dito sa Infinite. So that's the reason why na as what you've mentioned, kahit wala pang ribbon cutting, but yung orders left and right na sobrang dami na pong nag-orders not just here in the Philippines but also international. Kasi maranasan ko na din po na magpadala sa Hong Kong and different countries. And based on my own experience, by just promoting or sharing kung gaano kaganda yung mga products, you know what guys, na-experience ko po dito, kumita in one day ng 15,000. Yes po. Kumita pa ako ng almost 15,000 products pa lang. Kaya nga, I really believe na kung maganda yung produkto, maganda din yung kitaan. Because products pa nga lang, solved na. Okay na. Hindi na siya need ng talagang magaling ka mag-sales talk because pwede mo siyang i-demonstrate. Ganun po kalupet yung mga products dito sa Infinite. Plus, our products is FDA approved din. So you don't need to worry because all our products is safe and approved na po ng FDA. This could be the solution to your problems. So kung meron kayong acne and dark spots, hypertension, wrinkles, large pores, skin fungi, discoloration, melasma, dark nape, dark underarm, and overweight, then congrats because all of the products na pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina will definitely give you that solution to your problems. Okay? So I know you are all excited to try our Infinite products from Vida Skincare and to the Infinite Botox Serum and Infinite Brightening Serum plus the lotion and yung mga sabon na pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina.